Creative and fun kids' room design. Designing a kid's room is always a fun and creative challenge. The key is to create a space that not only looks great, but also encourages play and creativity. Here are some tips to help you design a room that your kids will love. Consider the age and interests of your child. The first step in designing a kid's room is to consider the age and interests of your child. If your child is a toddler, you may want to focus on creating a space that is safe and easy to navigate. For older children, you can incorporate their interests and hobbies into the design. For example, if your child loves space, you could paint the walls blue and add glow-in-the-dark stars to the ceiling. If your child is interested in sports, you could create a mini basketball hoop or soccer goal in their room. Use color and pattern. Color and pattern are important elements in any room design, but they are especially important in a kid's room. Bright colors and bold patterns can help stimulate creativity and imagination. Consider using a mix of colors and patterns in the room. You could paint one wall a bright color and then use patterned curtains or bedding to add interest. If you're unsure about how to mix and match colors and patterns, consider consulting with a professional interior designer. Create a play area. A kid's room should be a space where children can play and have fun. Creating a designated play area is a great way to encourage play and creativity. Depending on the age and interests of your child, you could create a play kitchen, a dress-up area, or a reading nook. Be sure to include plenty of storage for toys and games. Incorporate fun lighting. Lighting can have a big impact on the look and feel of a room. In a kid's room, you can use lighting to create a fun and playful atmosphere. Consider using string lights or colorful lamps to add interest to the room. You could also incorporate a night light or reading light for bedtime. Personalize the space. Finally, be sure to personalize the space to make it feel like your child's own. Hang up their artwork or display their favorite books on a bookshelf. You could also create a gallery wall with photos of your child and their friends. Personalizing the space will help your child feel more connected to their room and make it a space that they truly love. In conclusion, designing a kid's room can be a fun and creative project. By considering your child's age and interests, using color and pattern, creating a play area, incorporating fun lighting, and personalizing the space, you can create a room that your child will love. Remember, the key is to create a space that encourages play, imagination, and creativity.